Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Instagram highlight cover problem. To know how to fix Instagram highlight cover problem, you should just go to settings like this. After that, in this page, you will go to apps here, default apps, app settings. Then in this page, you will go down to Instagram. And here in this page you will go to force stop, and after that you will click storage. Then in this page you will click clear cache, and then you will click clear data, and after all that you can turn off your Wi-Fi so that you can know how to fix Instagram highlight cover problem. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon, subscribe. See you next time.